Alright, people, this is unfortunately the fourth time I have recorded this video. The previous 3 times, no cigar. Technical difficulties. Anyway, today we are going to talk about another episode about ordering food. But this is not about ordering food that you want. It's about not to order food that you don't want. We will be talking about allergy. How do you skip food from the skip food that you are allergic to from the food? How to ask for recommendation, and how to ask for certain ingredient if the ingredient is inside the food or not. All those goodies. All right. How do you say allergy in Cantonese? It is. It is 敏感 allergy. 敏感. Oh man. No amount of video editing can take away the plane. Okay, anyway, 敏感. If I want to say I have allergy to egg or beef, whatever, so and can I skip the food? You will be saying 我對 egg, I mean 我對蛋 means egg, 我 means I, 對 means against. 我對蛋 I have something against. I have something against egg or 花生 peanut. I have something against peanut. And what is that something? Is allergic reaction. 有敏感，我對蛋有敏感，我對花生有敏感。I have allergic reaction against egg or peanut. 可唔可以 ？Okay, 可以 by itself means can. can. 唔可以 means cannot. Means is negating, is for negation, right? 唔可以 means cannot. 可唔可以 as a whole means can or cannot. Is a question. Can or cannot. 唔要 by itself means has. 唔要 means don't have. I don't want it. 唔要。花生 earlier, it just means peanut, right? So the whole thing come together will be can it be done? 可唔可以唔要 not have peanut? Okay? 可唔可以唔要花生? Because I just told you I have allergic reaction against peanut, right? So, what? Come on, erase so that people can see clearly. Alright, next is 我唔鍾意食牛肉. What does it mean? Or against, it means I. 鍾意 means love or like. 唔鍾意 means negation, right? So I don't love or I don't like to eat. 食 means eat. I don't like to eat beef, 牛肉. So the whole thing will be 我唔鍾意食牛肉 or 豬肉. 豬肉 means pork. 我唔鍾意食豬肉。And可唔可以 again? Can it be done? 唔要 skip it. Not have it. 要 means have or has. 唔要 means negate. Don't have it. So the whole thing will be 我唔鍾意食牛肉 or 豬肉。 可唔可以唔要？Okay. Next is about asking if certain ingredient is in the dish that you're ordering. So it will be like 呢碟嘢，呢 means this, 碟 means dish. Yeah, it's kind of a slang, means this dish and stuff. 呢碟嘢有冇？有 means has, 冇 means not have. So 有冇 combined together mean is a question. Has or has not. This dish has or has not. 蛋 again means egg. Has not egg. 喺 means is present. Present or not. 喺入面 inside. 入面 inside. Present inside. So the whole thing means this dish has or has not egg inside. So 呢碟嘢有冇蛋喺入面 or you can call it 呢碟嘢有冇牛肉喺入面So kind of like 呢碟嘢有冇豬肉喺入面 You can mix and match, right? So or you can even say 我鍾意食牛肉。呢碟嘢有冇牛肉喺入面 Right? So now you can mix and match and construct your own phrase. Alright, next. We have 2 more to go. I hope my video is going to turn out so that I don't have to record the 5th time. 你有冇嘢好？你有乜嘢好介紹？ This is about asking you have any good suggestion. 你 means you. 有 means has or have. 乜嘢 means what. You have or have. You have what suggestion 介紹 means suggestion. What is this then? 好 means good. So you have you have what good suggestion? Okay? So how do you call that dude that you're talking to or miss you're talking to? So 老細 means boss. You just say boss. You have any good suggestion? Or 老細 boss, right? Or lady, miss or lady 小姐 depending on who you talk to, or Mr. or Sir 先生 So the whole thing will be 你有乜嘢好介紹老細 or 小姐 or 先生 Okay? Very last one. Hope you don't miss this. Spicy food. If you are allergic to spicy food or you don't like spicy food, how do you ask if it has is spicy or not? So spicy mean is 辣. It's called 辣. If you put a negation in front of, don't do this. Negation in front of 辣, you will say 唔辣. 辣唔辣 means is it spicy? 鮮 is kind of a question mark saying, hey, is it spicy? 辣唔辣鮮 right? So, or you can mix and match again. This is the beauty of Cantonese. Once you know everything, you can mix and match. You'll be asking, is this dish spicy or not? So you will be doing something like what we just learned. Oh, I can choose a different color. Nice. 呢碟嘢 this dish 辣唔辣先 right so mean this dish spicy or not 辣唔辣先 right then they will know you're asking if this is spicy or not. So, to recap, we have learned how to talk about the vocabulary 敏感。我對花生有敏感。Don't say this to a girl, say 我對你有敏感。If you say that, you'll be saying I'm allergic to you, 你。我對你有敏感。Okay, don't do that. Right? So, I hope you learned something. I hope you have fun watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I hope my video will turn out so I don't have to record it again. See you next time. Subscribe. Give me a suggestion down below. See you next time.